What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're looking at Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is currently ranked number 32. You can get one Ethereum Classic for $19. And guys, in this video we'll also be looking at the Ethereum Classic dollar price chart, Ethereum Classic market cap chart. Should we be getting more Ethereum Classic? Will Ethereum Classic still go to $200? Is our target going to change? Guys, we're looking at the price chart and the market cap chart to make those decisions. We'll also take a peek at Ethereum Classic versus Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic versus Ethereum, and then we'll look at the Ethereum Classic dominance chart. Guys, do you think Ethereum Classic is going to go to the moon? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. If you are my returning subscriber, thanks for always watching my videos. I appreciate you. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So kicking off today's video, guys, at the point of recording of this video, one Ethereum Classic is going for $19. It has a market capitalization of $2.6 billion and a fully diluted market cap of $4.1 billion. Guys, in the last 1 year, Ethereum Classic has gone as high as $114, as low as $16. Should we be getting more Ethereum Classic? Guys, it looks as if the last set of people that would have capitulated. So anybody that would have sold their Ethereum Classic right now has probably sold their Ethereum Classic. The last time Ethereum Classic was this cheap was just before Ethereum Classic started going to the moon, and it took it just 35 days to actually go up over 700%. So at this point in time, should we be buying more Ethereum Classic? Should we be accumulating more, or should we be selling and capitulating because we'll be expecting lower prices? Guys, if you have not sold by now, I will not advise you to sell now. You don't want to be selling into red candles, and things don't go down in a straight line except it's lunar. Sorry for lunar holders, things don't go down in a straight line. At some point in time, we'll see some retracement, some sort of retracement, and that will be actually a good place to sell if you want to sell. Right now, if you are holding Ethereum Classic for the long haul, this will be a good place to be accumulating some Ethereum Classic. You can see that every time Ethereum Classic came to this region, it was a very good time to buy or sell. This was a very huge resistance that is acting now as support for Ethereum Classic. We want to see Ethereum Classic hold this $19. If it can hold $19, that's if the crypto dump can stop. Then we might be seeing higher price for Ethereum Classic. Guys, the total crypto market is still in chaos. We're finally recovering slowly, but you can see that Luna is still down 99%. USD is a stable coin and it's still down 69%. That's sad, but you are seeing signs of life in the crypto market. You are seeing Maker is up 32%. ApeCoin is up 33%, Quan is up 21%. So we want to see sign of life in the market, and we're seeing those signs. Guys, Ethereum Classic can still go to the moon, but it might take a little while. And you know that when these kind of dumps happen, we'll actually have to have that PTSD time where people will be scared to come back into the market. We had kind of nasty dump May, June, July last year, but we still went on a relief rally. You see that Ethereum Classic still came from as low as $32. Ethereum Classic went as high as $76. It still had a 137% rally. Guys, Ethereum Classic is not just going to go straight to zero. If you look at the 2018 bull run, you can see that Ethereum Classic didn't just come down straight. It had so many relief rallies. You can see that Ethereum Classic first had this pump that took it up how many percent? It took it 4,000% in 183. It took it up 4,600% in 189 days. Then Ethereum Classic had another dump, just like we're having right now. It had a 68% dump before it finally rallied up for its final pump, and the final pump took Ethereum Classic to around $47, and that was a 531% pump. Right now, guys, are we going to get another pump? You can see that even after that pump, we had a dump, but before it came down, we still always had different pumps. This one was a 200% pump. This one was a how many percent pump? This is 100% pump. So Ethereum Classic will still be pumping with the rest of the market. Now, is it going to take the previous all-time high? There's only time will tell right now, but guys, the next level I'll be looking for Ethereum Classic, if I'm going to sell some of my Ethereum Classic, is that $75 region. That will actually be a very good region to let go some of them. From where I'm recording this video right now, that's from around $19, $20 to that $75 region. That's almost a 300% gain, which is a very, very good return if you think about it. From there, from that $75 to the all-time high, you're going to lose only 100%. So this will be a very good place to let go of some of your Ethereum Classic. Guys, let's look at the Ethereum Classic price chart. So now I'm using the Fibonacci extension to, let me start again, from the top of the previous bull run for Ethereum Classic to the bottom of the bear market. Before we do that for the market cap chart, guys, let's do this for the price chart. Let's see how high the Fibonacci extension tool will tell us Ethereum Classic can get to. Now, if we use Fibonacci extension tool for the Ethereum Classic price chart, you can see that Ethereum Classic right now is still healthy. It has not fallen below its lows. We have some other coins that are falling below their 2020 lows. The chart actually looks really nasty. Ethereum Classic Ethereum Classic is still holding up very, very well. And for Ethereum Classic to reach its full extension on the price chart, from the point of recording of this video, from around $19, Ethereum Classic just needs to pump around 800%. Is it possible? Guys, we have seen stranger things happen in crypto. It is very, very possible. There's bad news and good news. The bad news is that Ethereum Classic has gone on its full extension, so it has completed its bull run, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see that Ethereum Classic got as high as $18 billion, and this was the 3rd of May. This was the top of the market, and this was when Bitcoin was going on in retracement. And that's why I'm waiting for all these altcoins to actually go crazy, because I know that at some point in time in the future, guys, Bitcoin is going to go on the 702 retracement, and when Bitcoin is going on retracement, that's when you see all these altcoins pumping, because that's when the whales are exiting their bags. They will exit their bags in altcoins, and then when they sell these altcoins to normies, they sell it for Bitcoin, and they have more Bitcoin for the next cycle, rinse and repeat. You can see that Ethereum Classic went up over 1,300% in just 42 days, and that's the alt season we're talking about. Guys, we're talking about alt season. It comes very fast that people don't realize we're in alt season till later. We now realize that, oh, we just had alt season. So we had alt season in April, May 2021. We're waiting for the final phase of the cycle. I still believe that this cycle is not over. A lot of people are getting very bearish right now. People are saying we're in the bear market, goblin town, yada yada yada. Guys, I still believe there's still one final push. I believe that the market is not going to end in extreme fear. Maybe I'm just delusional, or maybe I'm outright just being ridiculous. But guys, I believe we have one more pump to the upside. Everything's not just going to crash at once, guys. The Fed will not spend 2 years pumping the whole market just to let it go in the space of 5 months. They're going to let it down with like a little child, let it down easy. But guys, now that we're seeing that Ethereum market cap chart has gotten to its full extension, what is the next target point for us? Guys, first of all, we want to see Ethereum Classic actually pass. Now that I've seen that Ethereum Classic market cap chart has actually gone on its full extension, we want to see Ethereum Classic actually pass first. We want to see 7 billion, and 7 billion was the highs we set in November 2021. This was when Bitcoin was at 69k. Ethereum Classic will have to pump 283%. If we go to the price of Ethereum Classic and it's pumping 283% from where it is right now, where Ethereum Classic carries us to 283%, it's almost at that $74 region. That will be a very, very key level, that $74 region. If we can pass that, then our next resistance on the market cap chart is 11 billion, then 11 billion, 16 billion. Then we'll see whether we can go on our full extension back again to touch the top of this extension. So if we don't do that, guys, around that 11 billion, that of 11 billion to 15 billion, that will be a very, very good place to take some Ethereum Classic off the table. Guys, Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin is at its lows. Only twice in history has Ethereum Classic been cheaper against Bitcoin than now, and those times have been very good times to accumulate. That was January 2021, when people thought all this is not going to happen, maybe only Bitcoin will go on the bull run. And the other time was July 2019. That was another good time to get Ethereum Classic before we had that rally after the market bottomed out. Right now, guys, if you are flipping your Bitcoin for Ethereum Classic, that will not be a very bad idea, because you can see that for Ethereum Classic to go to where it was in May 2021 against Bitcoin, it has to pump just only 351%. And can this set a new all-time high on this Bitcoin pairing, guys? Only time will tell. I actually believe when these altcoins start going to the moon, a lot of them will gain valuations against Bitcoin, crazy valuations, because many people are holding Bitcoin right now and they have not had profits in over 1 year. So imagine them seeing all those altcoins going crazy. If you check some of these altcoins that actually pumped before the market dump, you actually see that those altcoins were going high in valuation against Bitcoin. You want to see that when all season is coming. It might not come now. We just had a dump, guys. We'll still have our PTSD period where the whole market will be scared. People will be scared to buy. But if you look at the Ethereum Classic versus Ethereum price chart, it's telling us that maybe now is some time to flip our Ethereum for Ethereum Classic. Carry the chart to the weekly, we'll see that just twice in history has Ethereum Classic been cheap against Ethereum. The last time Ethereum Classic was this cheap against Ethereum was March on February 2021, when Ethereum was going to the moon and Ethereum Classic had not started pumping. And you can see that after that, Ethereum Classic still actually pumped over 500% in just 42 days. So can Ethereum Classic gain on Ethereum? Guys, I believe Ethereum has gone on its full bull run right now. Ethereum might probably go to $4,000, and that's just a 100% pump. But many of these altcoins that have not gone on a full run, will actually see inflow of capital from Ethereum and Bitcoin into those coins, and Ethereum Classic is one of those coins. We want to see the dominance of Ethereum Classic actually increase, and in the last 1 year, Ethereum Classic has gotten as high as 0.77% of the general crypto market. We want to see Ethereum Classic passing actually 0.77% of general crypto market. Once the Ethereum Classic break its all-time high on its dominance chart, and the all-time high for Ethereum Classic on its dominance chart, it's around 2.2% of the total crypto market. And guys, if we believe the total crypto market is going to be going to new all-time highs, I actually think probably, just probably, Ethereum Classic might be actually going to new all-time highs. Right now, you can get one Ethereum Classic for $19. Should you make that decision to get one Ethereum Classic, the decision is yours, guys. But right now, a lot of these altcoins are going on the cheap. A lot of people are scared and they're in stable coins, and which making me to believe, guys, if people are in stable coins, it means they are aware of the condition of the market. They are scared the market will continue dipping. And this is the stable coin dominance chart, and it's telling us that it got to an all-time high of 13.4% yesterday. When people were scared, a lot of people are scared that we might dump to 20k, the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. We didn't dump, but guys, anytime the stablecoin dominance actually start falling down, that's when the market start pumping. It happened in July last year. It happened in September 2020 when dominance started falling, all coins started going crazy. When dominance started increasing, the market started dumping. And again, in July when it happened, when it started dumping, the whole market started going crazy. So we're expecting the dominance chart to fall on itself, and we expect the market to actually go crazy. FOMO will come back to the market. The sentiment in the market will go back to extreme greed, and that's when you know you need to sell your coins. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification. You won't get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2, 3.